Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss how to register with CCRH eLibrary to gain access to all the free resources of the CCRH library. Welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to click on the subscribe button and click on the like button, as well as click on the bell notification to get the updates of all our videos. So you might have seen the message that was circulating everywhere that under the Ayush Grid scheme, CCRH, that is Central Council of Research in Homeopathy, has developed and launched a comprehensive digital library, that is the CCRH eLibrary, which facilitates the CCRH scientist to access a vast collection of subscribed e-journals, e-books, and some reputed medical database like Medline Complete or Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews, which is the largest database of the medical field, and British Medical Journal database, of course, an up-to-date database. So the portal allows research scientists, students, and faculty members of homeopathy, Ayurveda, Unani, Yoga, as well as Siddha, that is the Ayush faculty members, to explore and download relevant information from different e-collections. Given the extrinsic challenges that we have faced during the COVID-19 lockdown and because of the pandemic, the Ministry of Ayush provided and approved the proposal of CCRH eLibrary to provide free access of well-reputed medical databases, which I have already mentioned, and many other like Alternative Health, Watch, Dynamedics, and BMJ resources, etc., to Ayush doctors. That is, all the graduate and undergraduate and practitioner doctors, including Ayurveda, Unani, Homeopathy, Siddha, as well as Yoga. All these graduates can utilize these particular resources for research as for scientific knowledge, and students and faculty of the ministry as well as autonomous organizations can also utilize this database for a period of 3 months. Now, the most important question here was how to register. So I wanted to give you a tutorial on how to register. So I am going to walk you through the whole process of registering for the eLibrary. So you can see this. This is the home page, and when you scroll like this, you see library. Then you can click on digital library. So when you click, you can see CCRH eLibrary. Okay, so here you can see the e-resources of different disciplines of different subjects. There are multiple resources. You can also search through the publisher, you can search through the format, and also search by collections. So here by clicking on explore, you can see the expert talks and also the literature. And here you can read any kind of news that you want. But to do all these things, you have to log in first. And the most important thing that I'm going to talk about is how to log in. So stay tuned to the video and watch it till the end to see how you can log in to this particular CCRH library. So here you can see all the publications that are present, like articles, journals, ebooks, videos, thesis, etc. And you can directly type whatever keyword you want to search for, and you can just type here and then you can search for it. So you can also see the search tips over here that you can use while searching for any document or any type of resources. You can also watch a tutorial, which is the CCRH tutorial on how you can register. But since I went through all of that, I'll tell you how you can register. But first we'll play the tutorial for a bit, and so let me start with the tutorial first. So this is the CCRH library tutorial. It is the official tutorial of the CCRH. The link to this tutorial is also given in the description below if you want to see that official tutorial, in which they are saying that you have to go through these particular steps to register with the CCRH library. First, you have to visit the eLibrary at ccrhlibrary.in, and then the login is required to access the subscription, which we all know, and this subscription is only for 3 months, was with effect from 7th July. So if you register by now, you get 2 months of usage. That is the free access to all the resources of the CCRH library. Okay, so it is open only for 3 months. They need your account details, that is the full name, the department, email address and phone number, that is mobile number, which should be emailed to ccrhlibrary@gmail.com. So let me close this here. And now that we have understood that you have to mail all these details like your name, your email address, your phone number, your department, your institution to ccrhlibrary@gmail.com, but also they have made it easy by making us a Google form that is available that you can fill, and directly you can register without sending them an email. Okay, I'm going to show you how, but let me first show you how you can log in. So if I click here on login, and here inside it says sign in. Okay, so if you have an account already, you can just enter your email address and your password, and then you can click on sign in. But since we don't have the official CCRH registered email address, and I am not talking about your personal email address here, so once you send that Google form, you get an official CCRH email address which you have to enter here, and then you can put a password and then you can sign in. So you cannot sign in until you have that official email address. So just to be sure, just to be clear about what I'm saying, I'm going to sign up here using my personal email address and password. And I am going to show you that it is not possible to register like this. So here you can see this message that we do not recognize the network or email domain. Please make sure that you are using your official email address or are connected to your campus network to register. So basically you have to use this official email address that is provided by the CCRH library so that it is possible for you to log in, or you have to be connected to your campus network. So let's just go back. Okay, so this is a page now. What we have to do here is there will be a link in the description below to the Google form of the CCRH e-library, as well as the CCRH homepage, as well as the CCRH e-library page. So go through the description carefully so that you can get all the links. Click on the link that is given in the description below for the Google form of the CCRH library. So here you have to provide your email address, your phone number, your full name and your experience rank. Okay, so here I'm just going to fill in this, and then you will have to fill your area of interest. So suppose if you're a teacher of pediatrics, you can fill in pediatrics, but interested in homeopathy, you can just click on others. And then here in the other area of interest, you can just type in homeopathy and click on next. Then type in the hospital. Since if you are attached to any of these hospitals that are mentioned here, suppose if you are from the Northeast Institute of Folk Medicine, you can just click on this particular section over here. But if you are not from any of these councils or any of these institutes, you can just click on other. And then here you can just type in whichever institute you are associated with and click on next. And then you can click on submit. After submitting this particular form, you have to wait for some time to get a reply from them. Okay, so it might take around 2 to 3 days for them to reply. So be patient. And after 2 to 3 days, if you do not get any reply from them, or if you do not get any email from them, then you can compile all the details, all the same details that were asked in the Google form, like your name, your mobile number, your email address, your institute, your designation, all these details, and then mail those details to the ccrhlibrary@gmail.com, the email address that was provided earlier. And then you might get through and get registered. So before mailing them, just wait for 2 to 3 days, that because it might work. And also keep checking your spam folder, because sometimes the message might go into your spam or promotions folder. So keep checking that folder of your email as well. And if you do not get any reply from them in 3 to 4 days, then you can email them personally at ccrhlibrary@gmail.com, and then you might get through and get registered, and then you can utilize all these free resources and free articles, and you can use these resources for free by using that official email ID that they have provided through the email that they have sent you. Okay, So I hope this video was helpful. So many of them were having problem in registering it, and they were not understanding what to do exactly to register with CCRH eLibrary to use their free resources. So I thought I'll make a video on it. I hope you liked the video. I hope it was helpful. And if you liked it, if you found it useful, please share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for watching.